Hello guys, welcome to Tutorial Pakistan channel. In this video, I will help you out in developing your Adobe Illustrator skills. So today we will take a look at Pathfinder tool in Illustrator. So before starting the video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you can get all the updates as I upload the new video about Illustrator. So here I have created 4 different types of shapes. So there is a red shape behind and a black shape at the top of it. So we are going to select the first pair and we will select the red one shape, and as we select one or more shape, you will see a Pathfinder tools in the properties at the right side. But if you don't see it in the right side in the properties panel, go to the Windows and look for the Pathfinder option in it. Here you can see the Pathfinder tool will appear. So we will try our first effect, which is the unite effect. It will combine both the shape. The top shape, which is the most dominant shape, will appear at the top and it will be add with the behind the shape and both will be united. So this is what. In the second pair, we will going to select both the shapes along and we will select the second option, which is the minus front. It will basically it will deduct the front part of from the it. So when we select both the shape and just click on the minus front shape option, it will deduct. As you can see, it is deducted the front part of the shape. So you can make a different shape from it. So let's try it out once again. As I click on it, it will disappear the front shape. In the third, it is the intersect option, in which only the intersecting part between both the shape will be visible. As I select both the shapes and click on the intersect option, as you can see, you can now only see the intersecting option which is appearing. Same with the fourth option. Here you can see it is the exclude overlap, which means when opposite of the intersect shape, in which you will get the overlapping part from the intersect option. Let's see how it works. We have selected both the shapes and we will click on the exclude to create a compound shape. Here you see we got the excluded overlap shape and which has deducted the intersect part from it. So that's what we have done now. Let's try to make a logo or a design from that Pathfinder tool. So for that, I will create a new window. Okay, I will choose ellipse tool and create circle. I will give it a color. That's good. So now I will need another circle. Yes, create another circle and I will place in the center of it. Let's take it make it some. Okay, so here it is in the center of the it. So here what I am going to do is, now I will select both the option. I have to adjust it a bit. It is not in the center. It's perfect now. So let's select both the option and I will select the second minus front option, which will minus the front circle. So my shape has become like a ring circle. So let's do something another. I will detect it with the I will create a rectangle tool and make it small here it is. So I want to distract it from the ring circle, so select the ball option, and once again I will select the minus front option, so it has detected this. Okay, so I have distributed my shape in 3 parts, and I want to remove the stroke border from it, so first remove it. Okay, that's fine. And I am now going to do another thing, which is I will take an ellipse tool once again and create a circle here. Yeah, that's what I want. So I will first make it a copy. I will do again, go in the Pathfinder tool and select the minus front option. Okay, I will do the same with the both parts. One last thing I would want to do is another circle right here, and make your copies. Now give it some color. To give it a color red. Okay, and this circle with the same color. Now I will give it the yellow color. And same with this. Okay, so it's done now. So I have created a logo or a design with the Pathfinder tool. Hope you will like the video. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you have liked the video, please hit the like button and go to the subscribe option and write in the comment. Please share your suggestions. Thank you.